Caitlin, is it time to read a story?
Yeah,
You want to read this story? How does it start? I'll...
leaving the money.
For now,
It's time to sleep.
I will stay.
And Mother will tell you a something. Can I count them in
Yeah, you can count them. How many are there?
there? 1,
2.
2, 3.
Good job. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, my sweet. The night
That's the bank that helps you to sleep. I'm
creatures
great and Lisa. Mom will be sleeping and what made that noise?
I don't know what made that noise. Maybe your heater. Under the same... Hey Caitlin, what's this say? Under...
Then the heat is Daddy!
Oh, Daddy was making that noise. Okay. What's it say here? Under the same blanket.
Daddy's funny.
Caitlin, Daddy is funny. What's it say here? Under the same... Good job. So close
Little eyes.
and go
To sleep boy. A light of
the moon above.
above.
I'll...
You in the morning. Hey, this dies.
Oh, yeah. In the light of the...
Here's the O.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, that is an O. You're right. Good job. In the light of the...
Sun.
My love.
My love. Pizza.
No, dream your dreams of moonbeams.
Moonbeam. This is a moonbeam.
Uh-huh. Let the...
They become the friend.
The twinkling
So will keep you safe and mind them something.
I'll...
Be here. Oh,
If you need me.
it's funny.
I'm only...
That's the way.
So... Close your...
I can go to sleep
and dream
about a bed new day. Hey, there's an O!
There is an
O!
Yeah, 2 O's. Wow.
1, 2.
Yep. Good.
Like
Sleep.
tight.
I'll see you.
In the morning.
That's right. Can you say night-night to the camera?
Night-night, Mama.
Can you say night-night to Mama?
Night-night, Mama.
I love you.
I love you.
You're a good girl.
Mom, yeah. Tonight, yeah, I will bed.
No.